Monday, September 30th, 2024. Saint Jerome. Focus. The Lord gave and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Can the words of Job be our own when we walk through our valley of darkness? And can we, like Job, stop blaming God for the bad patches in our lives? It is possible only if we have the rock-solid faith of Job. God allowed Satan to take in his power everything Job had, but warned him not to lay a finger on the person of Job. Satan lost no time in subjecting Job to intense persecution. However, Job's faith-filled inner being gave him the strength to remain peaceful and trusting in the face of great tragedy. Praising the name of Lord foiled Satan's attempt to separate Job from God. Satan always attacks when our state of mind is at its lowest. He knows our weaknesses and tries to use this to draw us away from God and blame Him. But childlike and unquestioning faith in God can keep Satan at bay. The famous quote of Saint Jerome, "Ignorance of Scriptures is ignorance of Christ," shows that faith deepens with sound knowledge of Scriptures. If we saturate ourselves in the Word of God, it will enable us to bless the Lord at all times, good and bad, just as Job did. Fruit. Only detachment from everything material and deep faith in God's promises will help me react the persecution the way Job did.